Stephen Colbert here, first-time prayer, long-time fan. Please send me a Christmas miracle so I can have a Christmas special and Santa will come.
Ow.
Thank you for having me. Prayer is important things.
Indy,
No, I'm an angel, but I did that a lot.
Oh, I know. This is like your life. You've come down from heaven to save me so you can finally earn your pair of balls.
Wings.
Right, whatever. Oh, look. We're under the mistletoe. Oh, this is awkward. Oh, shoot.
Stephen, I'm here to grant your most heartfelt prayer.
Oh, that God will make an Oreo with a cookie in the middle?
Oreo with a cookie in the middle.
I mean your Christmas special?
Right, the Christmas special.